ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল তোমালোক সকলোকে আমাৰ এই চেনেলটোলৈ পুনৰবাৰ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টিত মই তোমালোকৰ বাবে লৈ আহিছোঁ ক্লাছ 10ৰ প্ৰি বৰ্ড এক্সামৰ 2024-25 চনৰ কামৰূপ মেট্ৰ'ৰ ইংলিছৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰখন MCQ এটাৰ আনচাৰখিনি কৰি দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছোঁ। ভিডিঅ'টি শেষলৈকে চাই থাকিবা। 1 নম্বৰটো আছিল হোৱাট হেপন টু লেঞ্চ'ছ ক্ৰপ when the storm had passed। অপশ্যনছ আছিলে it remained as it was, option B option C it grew to produce more seeds, option number D the corn was totally destroyed। অপশ্যন কেইটাৰ ভিতৰত কাৰেক্ট যেটো আনসাৰ হেয়া হৈছে অপশ্যন নম্বৰ D2। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 2 টো চোৱা। কুৱেশ্যনটো আছিল read the following statements with reference to a letter to God and choose the correct option। ইয়াতে a letter to Godৰ পৰা দুটা statement দিছে। statement number 1 the house in which Lancelot lived was in the center of a populous town। এই যেটো statement আছিল এই statementটো false। statement number 1 false। next statement number 2 কি দিছে চোৱা। statement number 2 দিছিলে Lancelot was a hard working farmer। statement number 2 টো কিন্তু true হয়। গতিকে অপশ্যন বি হ'ব কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ, কাৰণ অপশ্যন বি দিয়া আছে statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true। question number 3 what has always promised a good harvest to Lancelot। অপশ্যনসমূহ আৰু মই তোমালোক কৈ নাথাকো, কাৰণ অপশ্যনসমূহ কৈ থাকিলে ভিডিঅ'টো বহুত বেছি দীঘলীয়া হৈ যায়। question number 3 কাৰেক্ট আনসাৰ অপশ্যন বি টো হ'ব to ripe cornfields dotted with flowers। question number 4 what was it that the nation needed to be liberated from। question number 4 correct answer হৈছে option number D all of the above। question number 5 choose the correct option। correct option to choose কৰিব দিছিলে। এছাৰ চনত দিছিল 10th May 1994 was a red letter day in the annals of South African history। ইয়াতে যেটো এছাৰ চন আছে question number 5 হৰ এই এছাৰ চনটো true। reason কি দিছে চোৱা it was on this day the first democratic non-racial government elections were held and Nelson Mandela became the first black president of the country। ইয়াতে যেহেতু reason to true গতিকে অপশ্যন নম্বৰ B হ'ব লাগে question number 5 হৰ question number 5 হৰ option number A হ'ব correct answer। both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A। question number 6 when Nelson Mandela says I have seen men and women risk and give their lives from an idea he means that they are। এটা অপশ্যন সমূহ চোৱা। অপশ্যন সমূহৰ ভিতৰত question number 6 ৰ correct answer হ'ব option number B2 committed। question number 7 read the following statement with reference to Cook and choose the correct option। ইয়াতে statement কেইটা চোৱা। statement number 1 ত দিছিল whoever visit Cook is fascinated by the adventurous activities that are carried out। question number 7 ৰ যেটো statement number 1 আছে এটো হৈছে true। statement number 2 the people are hostile and cowardly in Cook। এটো statement number 2 টো false। গতিকে অপশ্যন এ হ'ব correct answer। statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false। question number 8 arrange the sentences in correct sequence from the chapter Cook যেটো chapter আছে chapterটোৰ পৰা correct sequenceত আমাক বাক্যকেইটা সজাব দিছে। correct sequenceত যদি আমি বাক্যকেইটা সজাও প্ৰথমতে কি হ'ব প্ৰথমতে হ'ব এটো 1 নম্বৰত এই বাক্যটো হ'ব ঠিক আছে Coorg or Kodago is the smallest district of Karnataka। next হ'ব এইটো বাক্য ঠিক আছে 2 নম্বৰত the firstly independent people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent। next হ'ব এইটো 3 নম্বৰত the river Kaveri contains its water from the hills and forests of Coorg। শেষত ৰৈ যোৱাটো হৈ যাব a walk across the rope bridge lands to the 64 acres is land of Nisargadaman। ঠিক আছে এনেদৰে মিলালে অপশ্যন নম্বৰ C হ'ব question number 8 ৰ correct answer। question number 8 in Coorg squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruits in Kaveri river। option D হ'ব correct answer to enjoy the splash and ripple effect in the clear water. Question number 10. This refreshing chapter, Tree from Assam, has been brought to us by Arup Kumar Datta. Option A have correct answer. Question number 11. Consider the following statements and choose the correct option. Assam has the largest concentration of plantation in the world. Reason is Assam is a tea country. Question number 11 or correct answer of option number B. Karon both assertion and reason duitai true into reason to explain assertion or correct explanation no hoy. A question to correct answer option number B hobo. Question number 12. Arrange the sentences and correct sequence from the story Madam rides the bus. Correct sequence of khojale ki hoba amak khudise. Question number 12 or যেটো প্ৰথমতে হ'ব এটো ঠিক আছে আৰটো প্ৰথমতে হ'ব there was a girl named Baliammai who was called Bali for short তাৰ পিছত হ'ব yes থোৱাটো may we start now madam the conductor asked smiling next you থকাটো হ'ব 3 নম্বৰত she looked another 30 paise from her pocket and handed the coins to the conductor শেষত হ'ব 4 নম্বৰটো Ali saw a young cow lying dead by the roadside গতিকে এনেদৰে মিলালে অপশ্যন ডি হ'ব শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ RSQP. Question number 13. Choose the correct option as the most likely reason for the tiger to ignore visitors in the poem A Tiger in the Zoo. ইয়াতে তোমালোকে question number 13 or option সমূহ চোৱা option সমূহৰ ভিতৰত option C হ'ব correct answer. যেটো আমাক কৈছে most likely reason গতিকে option C হ'ব শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ he knows that none would help him out of the captivity from the case. Question number 14. What does the reputation of Amanda at the end of its life reflect? Question number 14 or correct to answer here hobo option number B thokatu it represent the absent-mindedness of the listener. Question number 15. Name the poetic device used in these lines in poem Animals. ইয়াতে তোমালোকে গুটেখিনি পঢ়ি চাবা ইয়াতে পঢ়ি চোৱাৰ পিছত তোমালোকে অপচন এ শুদ্ধ পাবা ঠিক আছে নেক্সট ওয়া কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার 16 কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার 16 to আছিল sometimes it is necessary to lose something to ourselves in the possessions of world because question number 16 or correct answer option D to hobo because it makes us responsible. Question number 17. Why are the boys I desperate as mentioned the ball poem? Why are the boys eyes desperate as mentioned in the ball poem? Question number 17 or correct answer hobo option number C because he has lost his ball. Question number 18. What do you mean by epistemology of loss? Question number 18 or correct to answer here hobo option number C thokato. It means to understand the nature of loss. Option C correct answer. Next question, question number 19. Question to asil name the poetic device used in the line mouth like a fireplace. Name the poetic device used in the line mouth like a fireplace. Question number 19 or correct answer hobo option number D. ঠিক আছে এটো correct answer hobo. Next question so 20 number question to what do animals bring to the poet in the poem Animals. Question number 20 correct answer hobo option number D2 কারণ understanding আৰু token of mutual love এই দুটাই শুদ্ধ গতিকে option number D hobo question number 20 correct answer. Question number 21 choose the word that rhymes with feet in the poem Amanda. যেটা আমাক কৈছে এই ওয়ার্ডটো রাইমিং ওয়ার্ড ঠিক আছে ইয়াতে দুটা সম্ভৱ সুইটো পাইছো আমি সুইটো পাইছো বহুতে টুইট লিখি থৈ আহিছা কিন্তু আমাক কি কৈছে ইন দা পোয়েমটোৰ পৰা কৈছে গতিকে অপচন এ হ'ব শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ সুইট. Question number 22. What lesson do you learn from the sudden change Lanso cornfield by the same rain? Question number 22. Correct answer option D to hobo nothing is permanent in the world. A wordot কোনো বস্তুৱে permanent নহয়. Next question so question number 23. How according to Rasbir does the world know about the discovery of tea? Question number 23 correct answer hobo option number C traditional tales. Question number 24. Which of the following sentence is most suitable for possible? Question number 24 or correct answer ti hoise option samuhor bhitorot option number D. Never judge a book by its cover. Option D hobo correct answer. Question number 25. What was Fowler's first thrill of the day? 25 or correct answer option B to hobo sight of a man with automatic pistol. Question number 26. Read the statements with reference to a question of trust and choose the correct option. Statement number 1. Horace Danby loved to read books. Yate etu statement true. Statement number 2. Book lovers can be easily cheated by beautiful and charming personality. Etu false. Gotike ইয়াত থকা etu true, etu false. Gotike আমি option A যেটো দিয়া আছে statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. এটো হ'ব correct answer. Question number 27. Question to আছিল যে choose the correct option. ইয়াতে assertion দিছিলে. Assertionত দিয়া আছিল Griffin was a brilliant scientist who discovered how to make a human body transparent. ইয়াতে থকা যেটো assertion এটো শুদ্ধ হয়. Reason দিছে the aim was to help his country by his discovery. গতিকে reason to true. গতিকে এই questionটোৰ correct answer হ'ব option number A. Both A and R true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 28. The speaker in the hack driver was sent to a town dash miles. এটা খালি ঠাইত কি হ'ব সুধিছে in the country. Correct answer option C to হ'ব. বহুতেই 20 লিখিছে কিন্তু 22 নহয়. Question number 29. Read the following statement with reference to the hack driver and choose the correct option. Statement number 1. Oliver Lutkins was wanted to serve as a witness. গতিকে ইয়াতে থকা যেটো statement number 1 আছে question number 29 or etu true statement. Statement number 2. He was an expert is giving witness in law cases. Etu true. গতিকে option number B hobo correct answer. Question number 9 or sorry B নহয় etu C hobo. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Question number 30. I received dash help from my friends. Yata ki hobo hudise I received ki hobo question number 30 much help from my friends. Question number 31. If he dash I would help him. Choose the correct form of verb. Question number 31 or correct answer hobo option number D2 had come. Question number 32. The cook dash cooking food at this time tomorrow. Choose the correct form of verb. Question number 32 correct answer hobo option number B thokatu will be. Question number 33. They grew these flowers in Bangalore. Change the voice. Yata voice change koribo diche. Question number 33 correct answer option B to hobo these flowers were grown in Bangalore. Next question is what 34 number question to. Question to asil the maid will have cleaned the house. Yata voice change koribo diche. Question number 34 B hobo correct answer. The house will have been cleaned by the maid. Question number 35. Select the indirect speech narration of the given sentence. Raj said to my brother, how can you tell me a fool? Question number 34 or 5 or correct answer of option A2. Raj asked my brother how he could call him a fool. Question number 36. The captain said, hurrah, our team has won the championship trophy. Select the correct indirect form of the given sentence. Egiya bichu bhakya dia ase ei sentence tur correct indirect form to amak khudise. Question number 36 or correct answer option B to hobo. The captain exclaimed with joy that their team had won the championship trophy. Question number 37. Question to asil the teacher said homework dash and the end of the lesson. Choose the correct preposition. Yate about hobo in hobo out hobo na add hobo khudise. Yar uttor to moi tumalok koi ni diu tumaloke question number 37 or 38 or answer to the comment section ot janaba. Noarile comment section check koriba tat tumaloke answer homo aba. Ar logore tumalok konkhon district tor pora video sai asa comment section ot janaba ba tumalok konkhon district tor question paper or video lage comment kori janabole napahoriba. Question number 39. find the meaning of the phrase a at 6 and 7 ইয়াতে যেহেতু 6 and 7 বুলি দিয়া আছে question number 39 or correct answer হ'ব option A to disorder. Question number 40 I knew the answer I wrote it down choose the correct combination শুদ্ধ বা correct combination to কি হ'ব সুধিছে question number 40 correct answer option C to হ'ব I had known the answer which I wrote down. Question number 41 said the most appropriate option that corrects the errors in the following sentence. One must do his duty properly. Question number 41 or correct to answer here hobo option number C. One must do one's duty properly. Question number 42 choose the option that express the given sentence in superlative degree of comparison. Question number 42 correct answer hobo option number D. It was probably the happiest afternoon of her life. Question number 43 she rarely attends the class choose the correct question tag ইয়াতে correct question tag to সুধিছে গতে question number 43 correct answer হ'ব option number A dash C. Question number 44 do you have any money identify choose the correct parts of speech of the underlined word the underline কোনটো word ৰ কৰা আছে any গতিকে এই underlined word tour correct parts of speech কি হ'ব question number 44 correct answer option D to হ'ব quantifier. Next question number 45 question to asil I signed my name where father tells me to do identify the type of adverb clause represented by the underlined part. Question number 45 or correct answer hobo option number A adverb clause of place. এখিনি আছিল আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ৰি যদি তোমালোক কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ সমূহ লাগে তোমালোকে এতিয়া ডেসক্ৰিপচনৰ দিয়া লিংক সমূহ ক্লিক কৰি ক্লাছৰ হোৱাটছআপ চেনেল টেলিগ্ৰাম চেনেল আদি সমূহ ফলো কৰি ল'বলৈ নাপাহৰিবা তোমালোকে তাত কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ সমূহ পাবা লগতে আমাৰ এই টেলিগ্ৰাম গ্ৰুপো আছে তাত তোমালোকে জয়েন কৰি ল'ব পাৰিবা তাত জয়েন কৰিলে তোমালোকে কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ সমূহৰ PDF সমূহ পাই যাবা চেনেলটো যদি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰা নাই সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা